Good morning. I'm heading over to Starbucks to get a cup of joe and get the day going right, and then I'm heading over to Orchard Supply Hardware getting some supplies that I need for today's activities, and then I'm heading back to the house, and then we're finally going to get started, so follow along. It's going to be a good day. Got a front row parking spot. Heck yeah. Spicy chorizo sandwich and my new seasonal favorite coffee drink. It's an iced salted caramel mocha. Check it out. Since I'm out here eating on my hood, it'd be a good time to give you guys a little hint at what I'm going to be doing today. That's it. It's in the front. That's all I can say. It's in the front somewhere. So, as is the usual on this channel, it's that time of the day to add some oil again to the car. Today I am doing an LED light install for my car. It's in replacement of these old pieces of junk. You don't need any type of resistor or anything. You basically cut the wires and you cut the power to the pop-up, and then you cut your plastic here to fit the LED, and then lower these down to fit it, and you're done. So I disconnected the pop-up headlights and took away some of the tape that was holding it together. For these headlights, it is the black that grounds it out, and then the red wire with the white stripe going through it. Even though it looks yellow, it's not this other red wire that has a green blackish line on it. That's the high beams. So only these two wires, and then you can tape off the rest because that's for the pop-up junk and you don't need that. So these lights are super simple, made out of aluminium, and they have about 6 LEDs on the front, or 12 actually, and they're super bright, super durable it seems right now. A black and a red wire, this bracket right here that makes you be able to adjust it for your style. Goes in with 2 bolts on the side. 2 bolts on each side, and then a bolt on the bottom with a nut and a washer, and that's all you need. Really? And there you go, there's the difference between old and new. But you can keep turning them on and off if you want. Check it out. And then the difference in the front, night and day. One's yellow, one's actual. Alright. You can turn them off. One more refresher course. The red with the white stripe. Let's see if we can focus in on that. Red with the white stripe that has turned yellow, and black are the wires we want. The rest of these are just for the pop-ups. Go from about 8.5 inches high with the old light to about 3 inches with the new one. A lot better. Finished product. A lot sleeker, a lot brighter, and no need for pop-up headlights anymore. So I have an open switch in my dashboard now that I can wire something else to. Now it's time to get rid of that old crappy looking thing and put on this new carbon fiber. Check it out. Out with the old and in with the different. I can't say it's new because it's not, but looks cool. I like it. Let's move on to the next thing. I also thought to myself, well, since I'm out here, I might as well take off these dumb looking side skirts that actually came with the car when I bought it. They actually look like they used to be like some type of like bender board or like grass lining that just happened to be painted, but no, they look like they were made for it. They got some rubber where you bolt it on, and then it's a kind of a rough texture right there. But it looked dumb. I didn't like the way they looked, so I'm gonna take those off. Take this side off. It'll look a lot better, I think. I'm gonna have to add these marker lights, these JDM style marker lights that went in the fender here. One fell out and then I just didn't put the other one in. Never wired them up either, so slowly but surely the car's getting there. Gotta lower the front too, because the front wheels are way too high. Last time I got this aligned, the stupid alignment shop misunderstood what I was saying and gave me no camber. I had 2 degrees of camber in the front, and they put 2 degrees of camber in the back, like normal, but in the front, they're like straight up and down. I'm like, no, this is not a Toyota Prius, this is a Miata. I want it to handle a little bit. Morons. If you guys haven't already, go ahead and check out throtl.com. Throtl.com is a great online marketplace for the car enthusiast. I love it. I just signed up. I became a VIP member, spent $10 a month, and I got a free sticker. Go ahead and check it out. Link will be in the description box below.